So this lesson is just kind of continuation of what we've been doing. We're going to do surface areas and nets, and we're just going to make sure that we are accounting for all the sides. These ones here I've kind of given grids for, so I would like you to draw them relatively proportionally. But when most of the ones we're going to do, you're going to just need to be able to keep track of the surfaces and be able to keep track of those different areas of each surface. So in this case here, we have this box is 12 centimeters long, 5 centimeters wide, and 4 centimeters tall. Okay, so we're going to do a little bit of scaling here, and I'm going to make the bottom width going across of 12 this way, but I'm going to scale it to 6 units. So each square is going to represent 2 centimeters. Okay, so if that's the case, then I know that it's going to be 5 centimeters along the base. Okay, so 2.5 this way. So there's the bottom surface. I know it's going to be 4 centimeters high, so this edge here needs to be 4 centimeters by 5 centimeters. That's going to represent the end piece here. We're going to do the same to the other side. Okay, we know it's 4 centimeters this way, 5 centimeters that way. So in order to make this edge match up with this edge, the back edge here, we need to make this edge 4 centimeters as well. Okay, so I have 4 of the 6 surfaces. I'm going to do the same here. Okay, this is going to be 4 centimeters long here. Okay, and the top surface is going to be 5 centimeters wide, so it's going to be like that. Okay, so then we have all 6 surfaces accounted for. We're going to calculate the areas of each of these surfaces. This is 12 by 5. This is going to be 4 by 12. Okay, so this is also going to be 4 by 12. This is 5 by 12. These ends are going to be 4 by 5. So then, accounting for all the surfaces, I'm just going to count them all up. 20, 20, 48, 48, 60, 60. Okay, adding those all up, I'm getting, what am I getting here? I'm getting 160 plus 96, so 256 centimeter squares. For the next one here, again, same thing, we're going to scale this. We have a square base of 6 by 6, so I'm going to make a 3 by 3 square base. And it's going to have 4 surfaces around the outside. Now these ones here, we need to make sure that this is the 90-degree angle that's going to make that triangular area. So that surface there, we don't know exactly how long that is. And I'm not really going to expect you to calculate it. Actually, I am going to calculate it, aren't I? Because we need surface area. So we need to calculate this length. Okay, so that black length there. To do that, we need to make a right triangle in here. So if I take a look at that right triangle, that's going to be a height of 4. That's going to be halfway to the middle along the base, so that should be 3. Using Pythagoras, I'm going to get a length of 5 along that edge. Okay, so this edge here is a key length because we need to get that as 5 centimeters. So if that's 5 centimeters, I'm going to be at about that point there, and I'm going to have those triangles show on each of those sides. Okay, so I've got all 5 surfaces accounted for. I calculate the area of each of those surfaces. That's going to be 6 by 6, so that's going to be 36. That's going to be 6 by 5, so that's 30 divided by 2. So these are all going to be 15 square centimeters. So when I add those all up, I get 15, 15, 15, 15. That's 60 plus 36 is going to give me 96 centimeters squared. Again, I've accounted for all my surfaces. Okay,